What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today we just drove down here about 7 hours from Polson or Flathead Lake down to Yellowstone National Park. And now we're gonna go to the visitor center, and then we're gonna go to like the mud volcano area and do like a 1 mile hike. And then tomorrow will be our main big day here in Yellowstone. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so we just got done with day one here at Yellowstone National Park. Yeah, the mud volcanoes, super cool. Hike, all the like geysers and stuff are super cool. One thing I feel like nobody talks about is like how bad they smell. It's like all the sulfur. It smells like rotten eggs. So just be prepared for that if you come, but we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2 here at Yellowstone National Park. Yeah, this is like our big day here. We're kind of doing like a big loop, kind of to see the whole entire park. So we'll drive, it's about an hour down to Old Faithful, hopefully see an eruption of that. And then we'll do Morning Glory Hole and Grand Prismatic Springs hikes, and then we'll come and kind of work our way back doing a couple other smaller hikes. So let's drive to Old Faithful. So we just drove up here to Old Faithful, and now it's supposed to erupt here in about 10-20 minutes. So we're gonna watch it erupt and then go hike a little bit.
Woo! That kind of looks like a rocket blasting off into outer space. The rocket is blasting.
So we just watched the Old Faithful eruption, which is super cool. Now we're gonna do about a 2.5 mile hike here to this like pool geyser thing called Morning Glory Pool. So yeah. we just got done with the Morning Glory Hole trail. That's super cool trail. Now we just drove up here about another 4 miles up the road here, and we're going to do the Grand Prismatic Overlook trail. It's about 1.5 miles. So let's jump right into it.
I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind.
Alright, so we just made it to the next hike we're going to do. This is kind of like not one of the most well-known ones here in Yellowstone National Park. It's like the Wallace Lake Trail or something. We're going to hike about 1.5 miles to Little Gibbon Falls. It's out and back, so let's jump right into it. Alright, so we made it down here to Little Gibbon Falls. Super cool trail here. Like super, like nobody on the trail. We only saw like a couple people. Yeah, here's the waterfall. It kind of drops off back there a little more, but yeah, now we're gonna hike back up, I think. So alright, so that's where we're gonna wrap up hiking here in the oldest national park, Yellowstone National Park. This is our 12th national park we've been to so far. And yeah, it's like, I would honestly probably rank it like second, just below Glacier for my favorite national park. Yeah, the Morning Glory pool and like that whole hike was just super cool. Grand Prismatic Springs was super cool. It was just like super crowded, which didn't make it quite as enjoyable. And then yeah, that secret hike to Little Gibbon Falls was just super cool. Like we didn't see like hardly anybody. So I highly recommend all 3 of those hikes. Next video coming out will be Grand Teton National Park, the last national park we're doing on our summer trip here, and then we'll start making our way home. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.